In this video, we will discuss mail and some more tags related to links. If we want to link our tags with mail or any Skype ID and mobile ID, mobile number, how we can do that. So let's see. So what I need to do, I need to create a new file named with mail.html, mail link dash link .html. Create the basic skeleton for that, and I will rename that mail link. So let's create our link for that. Anchor tag, so mail to colon and xyz, this will be your email address, and @gmail.com. okay, so now you can create that. You can write your email xyz @gmail.com. you can also write whatever you want. So you can if you can mail me, or you can write like this: to mail me, click here. Okay, so this is how we can do that. So let's see the result. For that, we need to copy the path and paste over here, and this is the mail link that has been created. If I click over here, so you can see that there are different mail that has been installed in my computer. It will be shown over here. So you want to use Chrome for that, you want to use mail for that, you Outlook for that, but whatever you want. So it will automatically create your mail into that concerned software. You can also link your Skype with using anchor tag on your internet browser. So if you want to create a page that you use a Skype ID, and someone wants to you want someone to connect with your Skype ID automatically, so you can use this method. So let's see. So first we need to create our file with the Skype -link.html, and write your HTML skeleton here, and you can view in a large size. So you can write Skype ID or Skype link. So you can code here, and you need to write anchor tag, and anchor tag you need to write Skype colon with xyz @ or username. You can write your username or anything else. Your username might be like this. Okay, username 23, or you can write your email address used in the Skype, and call us on Skype. So let's see the result. You need to copy the path and come here and paste your link here. Now let's see. So this is the link that you can use for your Skype. If I click over here, you can see that the pop-up will appear, and if you want to open your this ID into Skype, so you can open the Skype ID over here. And for more reason, if you want to use your Skype logo, and you can download that, and you can use this Skype logo or this one. Okay, so if I want to download this logo, and if I want to download this logo, I want to copy this image or save this image as, and for that reason I want to save this file into section 2 Skype. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to come over here, and I want to use this image. Inside that image, I want to use img tag. So we will add that and src. For that, I need to use Skype.jpeg. So I can use that. So you will see the result. So I will refresh that. If I click over here, the Skype will appear here. So I will make it small, and if I click here, so you can see that the Skype will be opened, the software will be open over here. The next tag we have a mobile link tag. The mobile link tag, if you want to call someone from your internet browser and you want to call the specific if you want someone to call you, so you want to display to help him and display your number over there. If you click on that link, and your number will be copied to his mobile number, to his mobile phone. So how we can do that? So let's see. So for this purpose, we need to create a new file with the mobile link dot html. Okay, so now we can write our code over here. So we need to write html5 skeleton and mobile link, and I can write my code over here. So I need to write tl, and you need to write your number. So what you need to do, you need to write your 9292333221, and you can write call us. Okay, so this is how we can use our mobile number, and we can also show our mobile number over here on, and you can also copy this number over here. Okay, so this will be shown over, or this is just for the text purpose, and this is your call number. So now let's see how does it. So you need to copy the path, and now you need to paste over here and just refresh the. Okay, so this is the mobile number, and this is the text. If you click here, you can see that any application, if you are using the same web page on your mobile, so mobile can use this number in that default app. But in internet browser, if there is any software installed, if you can use that number, if you want to pick any application from that, so you can use any application installed in your computer or mobile.